In this video, we will learn about how to delete a task or value from Firebase database. So let's get started into the coding. First thing first, we will go to the task listing fragment where we have the adapter. From adapter, if you see, we have a list of tasks and we have also the delete button as well. So if a user click on the delete button, we need to trigger the delete function which will remove the value from Firebase database. I will go to the adapter. From the adapter, if you notice the delete button, click, so it's invoke the lambda function which is on delete click. If I going back to the task listing fragment, there I have another function and I am passing position and item as a task. Now I am also noting the delete item position as well. Now in the view model, I am passing that item to that function. From this function, we have live data as well, like declare the live data, where as soon as we get the action, we will pass through to the UI with the help of live data. Initially, I am loading UI state loading. Now I will simply go to the repository function where we have the implementation exist. So inside the repository implementation, we have that function override. Now simply we are getting the reference of that specific task with the help of task ID. Now this time I will call remove value and I also attach two different listener. One is on success, one is on failure. On success I am already passing like success message. On failure I am passing the failure message. Now I will going back to the task listing fragment where we are observing that delete task live data there. So in the success tab, the progress bar hide also showing toast message, and also in the adapter remove item, which the delete item position we are holding or storing in that variable. Now I will run the application to show you how it's work, and also in the side by side I will open the Firebase database as well in order to see the live time removing value. Now we will going to task tab. This time we have two tasks, so I will delete this task. If you see, we remove that task from the database as well and also from the list as well. So that is it for this video. We have completed so far create task, read task, delete task and update task. So I guess we pretty much cover the Firebase database. We will see in the next video what we will be discuss regarding Firebase database. Thank you for watching this series.